very bored now that schools are all closed. So I am doing learning literacy for Key Stage 1, and today we are talking about phonics. So phonics are the sounds that certain letters make, like and ah and t. Today we are looking at s, ah, t and p. Now, I'm sure you all know that there are lots of words with this sound, like snake, or snail, or sweets, or sand. There's also a for apple, or ant, and, or at. And same with t for tiger, for tractor, for teddy, for trains, and p for pig, for penguin, for people, for paper. And did you know that you could make words from these sounds? So, sat, or at, or pat, or tap. So to go over again, there's s for snake, or snail, or sweets, or sand. There's apple for ant, apple, and at. There's t for tiger, for tractor, for teddy, for trains, and then for P there is p for pig, and I'm sure we all love pepper. There's another one, pepper. There's penguin, people, and paper. Now, I bet that you can go out and find words with these sounds in them. So s, a, t, and p. In the next video, I'll be doing set 2 sounds. So I shall see you then. Goodbye for now, guys.